Welcome to our deep dive into the world of abstract wooden art. In this video, we will explore the fascinating intersection of nature and creativity. Wooden art has evolved over centuries, showcasing the versatility of wood as a medium for artistic expression. From traditional craftsmanship to modern abstract interpretations, wooden art captivates audiences with its texture, warmth, and organic forms. Historical context. Wood has been used as a medium in art for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations. Early cultures utilized wood for functional objects, eventually transforming them into art. This evolution reflects humanity's relationship with nature and the materials at hand. The use of wood in abstract art gained prominence in the 20th century, influenced by movements such as Cubism and Surrealism. Artists began to experiment, breaking away from traditional forms and seeking new ways to express their emotions and ideas. Characteristics of abstract wooden art. Abstract wooden art is characterized by its non-representational forms. Unlike realistic sculptures, abstract works focus on shape, color, and texture rather than depicting recognizable subjects. The natural grain and imperfections of wood add depth and uniqueness to each piece. Textures play a crucial role in abstract wooden art. Artists often leave surfaces rough or polished, creating a tactile experience for viewers. The interplay of light and shadow on wooden surfaces further enhances the visual impact. Techniques in abstract wooden art. Carving. Traditional carving techniques are essential in creating abstract sculptures. Artists use chisels, knives, and other tools to remove material, revealing shapes and forms. This labor-intensive process requires skill and patience. Lamination. This technique involves gluing together layers of wood, allowing artists to create complex shapes and patterns. Lamination can produce stunning visual effects, as different types of wood can be combined for contrast. Burning and finishing, pyrography, or wood burning, adds intricate designs to the surface of wooden art. Finishing techniques, such as staining or sealing, enhance the natural beauty of the wood while providing protection. Assemblage. Many contemporary artists use found wood or reclaimed materials to create abstract pieces. This approach not only promotes sustainability but also adds a narrative layer to the artwork, as each piece of wood carries its own history. Themes in abstract wooden art. Abstract wooden art often explores themes of nature, spirituality, and the human experience. The organic nature of wood lends itself to representations of growth, decay, and transformation. Nature. Many artists draw inspiration from the natural world. The textures and colors of wood can evoke landscapes, forests, or the ocean, encouraging viewers to reflect on their connection to nature. Spirituality. Abstract forms can represent spiritual concepts, inviting contemplation and introspection. The use of natural materials often evokes a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Emotion. Abstract art, in general, aims to evoke feelings rather than depict reality. Artists use shapes and forms to convey emotions, allowing viewers to interpret the artwork based on their personal experiences. Notable artists in abstract wooden art. Henry Moore, renowned for his large-scale abstract sculptures, more often used wood as a medium. His organic forms reflect the beauty of nature and human figures, merging the two into harmonious designs. David Nash, a British artist known for his work with wood, Nash creates large outdoor sculptures that blend with their surroundings. His pieces often incorporate the natural deterioration of wood, emphasizing the passage of time. Peter Volkos, while primarily a ceramic artist, Volkos also explored wood in his abstract works. His sculptures challenge traditional notions of form and function, blurring the lines between art and craft. Judith Scott, known for her intricate fiber art, Scott also incorporated wooden elements in her pieces. Her abstract sculptures reflect her experiences and emotions, highlighting the power of art as a form of communication. Contemporary trends in abstract wooden art. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in sustainable art practices. Many contemporary artists are turning to reclaimed wood, emphasizing environmental responsibility. This trend not only creates visually stunning pieces but also raises awareness about the importance of conservation. Digital technology is also influencing wooden art. Artists are using computer-aided design, CAD, software to create intricate patterns and shapes, pushing the boundaries of traditional woodworking. This fusion of technology and craftsmanship opens up new possibilities for abstract expression. The future of abstract wooden art. As we look ahead, the future of abstract wooden art seems promising. The ongoing exploration of materials, techniques, and themes will continue to inspire artists and collectors alike. With a growing emphasis on sustainability and innovation, abstract wooden art will likely evolve into exciting new forms. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to use abstract wooden art for home decor. Choosing the right pieces. Size and scale. Consider the size of the space where you want to place the art. Larger pieces can serve as focal points, while smaller ones are great for accents. Style. Match the art style with your overall decor theme, modern, rustic, minimalist, or eclectic. Placement ideas. Living room. Hang a large abstract wooden sculpture above the sofa or use smaller pieces on shelves. Entryway. A striking wooden art piece can create a welcoming atmosphere. Bedroom. Use softer, calming pieces to enhance tranquility. Consider placing art above the headboard. Office space. Choose pieces that inspire creativity and focus, like intricate wooden wall art. Mixing and matching. Gallery wall. Combine abstract wooden art with other types of art, paintings, photographs, for a dynamic look. Textures. Mix wooden pieces with metal or fabric for contrast and interest. Lighting. Spotlights. Use directed lighting to highlight the textures and details of wooden art. Natural light. Position pieces where they can catch natural light, enhancing their visual appeal. Using furniture. Functional art. Consider furniture pieces that incorporate abstract wooden designs, like tables or chairs. Accent pieces. Use side tables or shelves with wooden art to complement existing decor. Seasonal decor. Change your abstract wooden art pieces seasonally to refresh your space without major renovations. DIY projects. Get creative and make your own abstract wooden art. Use reclaimed wood for a sustainable approach, adding a personal touch to your decor. Cultural significance. Incorporate pieces that reflect cultural stories or history, adding depth to your decor. Care and maintenance. Keep wooden art dust-free and away from direct sunlight to maintain its beauty over time.